In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a collaborator request in Shopify. First, log into your Shopify partner's account. On the dashboard, click on Stores from the menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll find an option that says Request Access to a Store managed by a client. Click on Request Access to Store. You'll be prompted to enter the URL of the store you want to access. Head to the store's webpage, copy the URL from the browser, and paste it into the field provided in your partner's account. If the store owner has enabled collaborator request protection, you will see a prompt requiring a collaborator request code. This prevents unauthorized access requests. To get this code, ask your client to log into their Shopify admin page. Once they're logged in, they should go to Settings in the bottom left-hand corner, then click on Users from the menu. Under the Users section, they need to click on Security, where they'll find the collaborator request code listed next to the store title. They can copy this PIN code and send it to you. Once you have the code, paste it into the collaborator request code box. Next, scroll down and choose which parts of the store you want access to by selecting the corresponding checkboxes. At the bottom, you can also include a message to the store owner if you wish. When you're ready, click Request Access to Store. You'll then see a pending request status, indicating that your request has been submitted successfully. Once the store owner checks their Users section, they will see the request and have the option to approve it by clicking Accept Request in the top right corner. And that's how you can send a collaborator request in Shopify.